morning, everyone. How are you today?
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Morning. I'm good.
Morning.
Okay, I hope all of you are doing well and feeling excited to learn English today. Before we begin, can you hear my voice clearly, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
miss. I can
miss.
hear your voice clearly.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you, everyone. I am happy to know that everyone can hear me clearly. Now, before we start today's lesson, let me check the attendance. When I call your name, please turn on your microphone and simply say, present, miss. Okay, Najma,
Present, miss.
Nurul,
Present, miss.
Cindy,
Present, miss.
Zola.
Present, miss.
Okay, thank you everyone. Before we begin, I would like to remind you of a few classroom rules. Please keep your camera on if possible, mute your microphone when someone else is speaking, and don't be afraid to participate. Remember, this is a safe place to practice English. Making mistakes is completely okay because mistakes help us learn. Are you ready for today's lesson, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
miss.
Okay, next slide. Before we continue, let's look at today's learning objective. By the end of today's lesson, I hope you will be able to introduce yourself confidently in English, ask and answer simple personal question, and communicate with your classmates using English expression. This objective will guide everything that we do today. Don't worry if your English isn't perfect. The most important thing is your confidence and your willingness to speak. Remember, practice makes progress. The more you practice speaking English, the more confident you will become. Do you understand today's learning objective, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
miss.
Okay, I hope everyone is ready to participate actively. Now, let's warm up a fun game. Next slide, please. Okay, before we learn today's topic, let's play a simple game called Guess the Famous Celebrity. I will show you several famous people. Your job is very easy, guys. Just tell me who they are. You can answer by turning on your microphone. Mm, Pictures one. Look at the first picture. I will ask Najma. Najma,
Yes, miss.
who, who is she?
She is Taylor Swift.
Alright, that's good. And then Nurul, can you hear me?
Yes, miss. I can hear you.
Okay, Nurul, what does she do?
She is a singer.
Very good. She is a singer and songwriter. Cindy, do you like Taylor Swift?
Yes, miss. I like her songs too.
Okay, wonderful. Everyone has a different favorite singer, and that's perfectly okay. Pictures number two. Sorry, that's a Jude Bellingham. Sorry, and then I want to ask um Najma, what
Yes, miss.
is his profession? Jude Bellingham.
He is Jude Bellingham.
He is football. Yeah,
Oh,
he is
he is
football
a
player.
football player.
Okay, correct. And then Zola, do you know where he comes from?
He comes from England.
Okay, thank you so much. And then picture number three. Who is she? Cindy, do you know her?
Yes, miss. She is Lisa from Blackpink.
Wow. Nurul, what does she do?
She is a singer and dancer.
Okay. Do you like Blackpink, Nurul?
Um, yeah, I was like her, Blackpink. Sorry, but
No problem.
now.
No, okay, no
Mhm.
problem.
Mm,
Okay, guys. Now pictures number four. Who is this? Do you know, guys?
yeah, I know him.
Who? Who is he?
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Okay, guys. Do you know, like, is he football player or basketball player?
Football
Football
player.
player.
Okay, I think almost everyone knows Cristiano Ronaldo. And then picture number 5, sorry, that's Mr. Beast. Okay, he's Mr. Beast. Zola, what does he do?
He's a YouTuber.
Okay, Mr. Beast is one of the most famous YouTuber in this world. Excellent job, everyone. You answer all of the question correctly. Now, have you noticed something? Although these people have different jobs and backgrounds, they all introduce themselves when meeting new people. And today we're going to learn how to do that confidently. Let's move to the next slide. Next slide, please. Okay, what if you met them? Now, I would like you to imagine something. Imagine that one day you're walking in a shopping mall, suddenly you meet Taylor Swift, or imagine you're watching a football match, and after the game, you meet Jude Bellingham. You have only one chance to solve them. What would you first say first? Take a moment to think. Najma,
Hello.
what would you say?
Hello.
Hello. Okay, very good. Nurul?
Hi,
Hi.
handsome. Yeah.
Okay, Cindy.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, and then Zola.
How are you?
Okay, guys, excellent answer. When we meet someone for the first time, we usually begin with a greeting. After saying hello or hi, what should we do next? Nurul?
Introduce ourselves.
Exactly. Introducing ourselves is very important communication skill. We use when meeting new friends, joining a new class, attending interviews, participating in competition, or even traveling abroad. That's why today's lesson is very useful in real life. Before we practice speaking, let's learn some important vocabulary. Next slide, please. Okay. Please look at the picture on the screen. Let's learn this word together. Guys, please repeat after me. Okay. Name.
Ne-
Name.
My
Okay. And then I want to ask Najma. Najma, what is your name?
my name is Najma.
Okay, thank you. And then the second is it age. Repeat after me. Age.
Age.
Okay, Nurul.
Age.
What about Nurul? Nurul, how old are you?
I am 16 years old.
Thank you, Nurul. And then the third one is hometown. Repeat after me. Hometown.
Hometown.
Tom.
Tom.
Okay. And then Fadia, can you answer my question? Fadia, where is your hometown? Okay. I think Cindy, where is your hometown?
My hometown is in Bogor, sir.
Very good. And then the next is hobby. Repeat after me. Hobby.
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 Okay, Cindy again. Cindy, what is your hobby?
My hobby is cooking.
And then Zola, what is your hobby?
My hobby is listening to music.
Okay, thank you so much. And then favorite subject. Favorite subject. Do you know like Najma, what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
English. What about Nurul?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is biology.
Biology. That's good. And then I want to ask about dream job. Do you know dream job? Like, do you have a dream job? Like, I want to be doctor or specialist. And then Cindy, do you have a dream job?
Yes, ma'am. My dream job is becoming a chef.
Chef. That's good. And then Zola, what is your dream job?
My dream job is to become a teacher.
Okay, wonderful, guys. I hope all of your dreams come true. And then we can vocabulary review. Let's review together. Do you know asal daerah in English, guys? Najma,
Yes.
what is asal daerah in English? The answer is hometown.
Hometown. Yeah.
Okay. And then what is hobby in English? Cindy?
Hobby
Okay.
is
What is cita-cita in English, Zola?
Dream job.
Thank you so much. You remember all the vocabulary. Next slide. Useful expression. Now let's practice some useful expression. Please repeat after me. Hello, everyone.
Hello
Hello,
everyone.
everyone.
Hello,
My
everyone.
name is Fitria.
My name
My
is
name is
Fitria.
Fitria.
I am 16 years old.
I
I
am
am
16
16
years
16
years
years
old.
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 I live in Bogor.
I
I
live
live
I live
in
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 Bogor.
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 My hobby is reading books.
My
My
hobby is
hobby is
reading
reading
books.
books.
My favorite subject is English.
My
My
favorite
favorite
subject
subject
is
is
English.
English.
My dream job
My dream
My
My
job
dream job
is becoming an English teacher.
is
is
becoming
becoming an
an
English
English
teacher.
teacher.
Okay, guys, thank you so much. Excellent pronunciation, everyone. Now, if we put all of this expression together, we can make a complete self-introduction. In the next activity, you will use this expression to introduce yourself confidently. So, let's move to our main activity. Now you've learned some vocabulary and useful expression for introducing yourself. Before we practicing speaking, let's learn a little grammar. Don't worry, it's very easy. Today we're going to use the simple present tense because we are talking about fact about ourselves. Please look at the example on the screen. My name is Fitria. I am 16 years old and blah blah blah. Can you see something in common? These sentences tell us information that is always true about ourselves. That's why we use that simple present tense. Now let's practice together. Now, look at the first sentences. I am 16 years old. Najma, what information does this sentence tell us?
I am 16 years old.
And what information does this sentence about? Age, okay?
Age.
Now, look at the second sentence. I live in Bogor. Nurul, what
Yes, ma'am.
information does this sentence tell us?
The hometown.
Okay, that's good. It tells us where we live. Thank you, Nurul. Now, look at the third sentences. My hobby is reading books. This is information to tell us our hobby. And then now let's complete the sentence together. I will start and you finish them. Ready? My name is Cindy. Cindy, my name is
My name is Fitria.
my name and then
I am 16 years old.
okay. I live in.
I live in Bogor.
My hobby is.
My hobby is reading books.
Okay, my favorite subject is.
My favorite subject is English.
Okay, you're doing a great job. Now, I think everyone is ready to introduce themselves. Let's move to our main activity. Next slide, please. My profile card. Now it's time for our main activity. This activity is called my profile card. Please look at the profile card on your screen. The green one, it contains 6 pieces of information. Name, age, hometown, hobby, favorite subject, and dream job. I will give you example like My name is Nurul, and I am 20 years old. Okay, like that. Please fill in the profile card using your own information. I will give you about 2 minutes. If you finish, please say to me or raise your hands. Okay, guys.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, guys. Have you finished? Now I would like one student to answer my question using the information on the profile card.
Yes,
Nurul,
ma'am.
could
Yes,
you
ma'am.
please help me?
Okay. My name is Nurul. I am 22 years old. I live in Bogor, and my hobby is watching a movies or series or something like that. And my favorite subject is English because I want to speak English fluently. And my dream job is becoming a rich peoples. Thank you, ma'am.
Rich people and rich auntie. Okay, thank you so much, Nurul. That's a good answer. Thank you so much. And then next slide, please. Okay, this is a pair work, like interview practice. Now it's your turn again to practice with your classmate. Because we are learning through Zoom, let's imagine that you are working with your partner. Please ask and answer these 6 questions. Okay, before you practice, let me show you an example. Najma and Cindy, would you like to help me?
Yes, miss.
Yes. What's your name and age?
My name is Cindy, and I'm 22 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Jakarta.
Okay. What do you love to do in free time?
I love listening to music and watching movies sometimes.
What is your favorite school subject?
My favorite school subject is English.
What do you dream of becoming one day?
I want to be a successful person. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, good job. Thank you so much, guys. And then that's the example from our classmates. Thank you, Najma and Cindy. Please, next slide. Okay. Speaking assessment. Before we finish today's lesson, I would like to invite 2 students to introduce themselves in front of the class. Okay, don't worry, I'm not looking for perfect English. I'm looking at your confidence, pronunciation, fluently, and the completeness of your introduction. Who would like to go first? Maybe Cindy, you wanna try?
My name is Cindy Olia. I'm 22 years old. My hobby is listening to music and watching movies. I live in Jakarta, and my favorite subject is English. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, excellent, Cindy. You spoke clearly and confidently. Next time, try speaking a little more slowly. Okay. Overall, you did a fantastic job. Okay. And then next slide, please. Okay, before we end today's lesson, let's reflect together. I would ask Najma. Najma, what information should we include when introducing ourselves?
Name.
Name, and then Zola,
Dream job.
Nurul.
Age and hometown.
Okay, guys, and then I will ask Nurul. Nurul, why do we use the simple present tense when introducing ourselves?
Because we are talking about facts about ourselves.
Exactly. Now I would like to hear from everyone. After today's lesson, do you feel more confident introducing yourself in English, guys?
Yes,
Yes, I
miss.
do.
Yes, ma'am.
I am very happy to hear that. Remember, confidence comes from practice. The more you practice speaking English, the more confident you will become. Thank you. Before we finish, I would like to give you a simple homework. Please record 1 minute self introduction using today's expression and your My profile card. Upload your video before our next meeting. Thank you very much for your participation today. You were active, confident, and did a wonderful job. Remember today's quote. Practice makes progress. The more you practice, the more you confident you become. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful day. See you next week. Goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.